Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home and enjoying the science online classes from LPM Public School. Students, I hope you all are doing well in study with the help of your online classes. And students, myself Akansha, I am a subject teacher of science and this is your science online class, and now I am again here with a new chapter. So take out your science book everyone, which is look like this, and that is science. This is your science book, so take out your science book everyone. And now today we will discuss about the new chapter, that is chapter 2, and the name of that chapter is Keeping Cell. Your chapter name is your chapter number 2. Today we will discuss here, and the name of that chapter is Keeping Cell. So in this chapter, today's topic is safety at home. Students, it means how do we save ourselves at your home. Means हम अपने खुद को अपने घर पर कैसे सेफ रख सकते हैं, किन चीज़ों के कैसे प्रिवेंशंस रख सकते हैं. सो आज हम यहाँ डिस्कस करेंगे. एंड फर्स्टली स्टूडेंट्स, बिफोर द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, I remind to you students, due to the corona pandemic, your physical classes is banned. So students, I hope you all are fine, and students must be you stay at your home and be safe from the corona. Okay students, so wear your mask, wash your hand regularly and stay at your home. Okay, so let us come with me and start today's class. So take out your book and come to the chapter 2, that is Keeping Cell, which is look like this. Your chapter 2, Keeping Cell. Okay student, so students, this is your chapter 2, and in this chapter students, you will learn about the safety at home, how do we save ourselves at school and on the road. And students, in this chapter we will also discuss about the first aid. What is the first aid we will discuss here. So firstly students, today's topic is we will discuss about the safety at home. Safety at home. Okay, so I hope you all are ready for your class. Are you ready everyone? Okay, now let us start today's class. So firstly we will read this topic, so you can see and hear the correct pronunciation of your topic, safety at home. Okay, so because this class is related to your reading and the explanation. Okay, this is the specially explanation and reading video of your chapter 2. And now students, listen carefully everyone, the correct pronunciation of your chapter. Students, your first topic is safety at home. And now listen carefully. Here are some safety rules that you should follow at home. Students, you can see here some safety rules that you should follow at your home. Because students, we should take care of ourselves and stay safe from injury. To avoid injuries, we should follow some simple ways, some safety rules. It means students, we should take care of ourselves. It is very important for us students, we should take care of ourselves, because if we follow the some safety rules, we save at our home, we be safe at the school. So we should follow some simple rules. And now students, in this video class students, we will also discuss about some safety rules. So firstly we will discuss about the safety at home, how do we save ourselves at home. Okay students, so prevention is better than the cure. Okay students, so first point is do not leave your toys, bag and books lying on the floor. Student, this is very important for you because you are not aware about this. And so students, if you leave your toys, bags and books laying on the floor, you might trip over them and injure yourself. So this is very important for you. You do not leave your toys on the floor, or do not toys, bags and books laying on the floor, because you might trip over them and injure yourself. Okay, now next point is be careful while walking on the wet bathroom floors. Students, be aware about this. Be careful while walking on wet bathroom floors. You might sleep on the floor and get hurt. Never touch electric switches, plugs or wires with wet hands because you might get an electric shock. Do not put your fingers into plug point. And next is do not go near the gas stove or play with sharp objects such as knives and scissors. You might burn and cut yourself. Do not try to light free crackers by yourself. Okay students, now let us come and summarize this topic shortly. Now listen carefully students. Here are some safety rules that you should follow at your home. You can see here. एंड फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज डू नॉट लीव योर टॉयज. हमें कभी भी अपने टॉयज को फ्लोर पे, टॉयज, बैग्स एंड सभी अपने जो भी हमें यूजफुल थिंग्स हैं जो हम यूज़ करते हैं अपने डेली लाइफ में, उन्हें हमें कभी भी ऐसे इधर उधर कभी भी थ्रो नहीं करना चाहिए, बिकॉज अगर आप थ्रो करेंगे सो यू माइट ट्रिप ओवर देम एंड इंजर योरसेल्फ. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, next one is be careful while walking on wet bathroom floors. You might sleep on the floor and get hurt. It means students, हमें कभी भी अगर हम बाथरूम फ्लोर पर चल रहे हों, वॉक कर रहे हों, तो हमें केयरफुल होना चाहिए, बिकॉज अगर हम केयरफुल ना रहें तो यू माइट स्लीप ऑन द फ्लोर एंड गेट हर्ट. तो हम स्लीप हो सकते हैं, गिर सकते हैं एंड हर्ट हो सकते हैं. And now next one is never touch electric switches, plugs or wires with wet hand. Students, it is very important for you. This is very important for you because that is students, never touch electric switches, plugs or wire with the wet hand. हमें कभी भी wet hand means what is the meaning of wet? What is the meaning of wet, students? Students, the Hindi meaning of the wet is the गीला हो जाना, भीग जाना. मीन्स हमें कभी भी वेट हैंड से स्विचेस, प्लग्स एंड वायर्स को, इलेक्ट्रिक वायर्स को टच नहीं करना चाहिए. अगर हम ऐसा करते हैं तो हमें शॉक लगने के चांसेस रहते हैं. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, डू नॉट पुट योर फिंगर इनटू प्लग पॉइंट. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज do not go near the gas stove or play with sharp objects such as knives and scissors. Students, हमें कभी भी do not go near the gas stove, हमें गैस स्टोव के पास कभी भी प्ले नहीं करना चाहिए, कभी भी नहीं खेलना चाहिए, और ना ही हमें किसी शार्प ऑब्जेक्ट के साथ एज लाइक द नाइव्स एंड सीजर्स, कभी उनके साथ हमें कभी भी नहीं खेलना चाहिए. यू माइट बर्न और कट योर सेल्फ. And now last point is the do not try to light firecrackers by yourself. Okay? And students, the crackers is very unhealthy for our nature and for our self also. So do not try to light firecrackers by yourself. Okay students? So this topic is over now, and I hope you all understood about the safety at home. And now students, I am reminded to you in my next classes, means the tomorrow's classes, we will discuss about the safety at school because this is the second topic of this chapter. So be careful and you have to read this topic, that is safety at home, and learn some safety rules, because to avoid injuries we should follow some simple safety rules. Okay student? So today's class is over now, and bye all of you. We'll meet again in my next video class. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Okay students?